Hello students, how are you? Hope that all of you are fine. So in today's video, I'll explain you about CSS border properties. So here you see, so what properties we learn in this video. So first is border style, next is border width, then border color, radius, and we apply border on particular sites also. So I'll directly start implementing this. So let's start. For that purpose, I already created a one file in a Notepad++ and I have given the name to this file border.html. So here I am having a header h1 also heading 1 and head is there, style tag is there also, and other tags are also, body tag is there, no background color I'll give. So now I open this one also, simply double clicking. CSS border property is there. So we start. Okay. So border property. Here I am using a h1. So first I'll use a h1 this thing and I'll apply the properties there. Border property. So I'll give the border background color first to this background color to this one h1. Background color I'll give gray. Okay, light gray, LIGHTGREY, light gray. See the effect of this. Okay, now this one is h1, so I'll start from h2 first. So this is border. First I'll start with border style. This is a border style property style. This h2 is there, and this one also I'll give color to this I give light blue, this I give gray color. Okay, so instead of this I make it h2. Okay, now I apply the border property. So here I use h2 dot. So style property having so many values, so with the name of these values I'll give the design also. Clear? I apply these values and now first DASHED dashed this thing. Here h2 background color to automatically apply. Now we use border style. Border style, this DASHED dashed this thing, and Control S. I'll give the border style dash. How I implement this? I have given this border dot. So I use here a class attribute because I have created this design as a h1 dot dashed. So in previous video I explained about that dot represent what? A class attribute. Clear? Or a class property we are making here of our choice. If we are using ID, so then we use hash sign. So here as a class, so I give the name to this one DASHED. Now it implements there. Clear? So border is there. This way I change the value, different values instead of dash. Okay, I'll make changes directly here. Copy this, Control C, Control V. Now the next is DOTTED dotted. So I pass as a value to a border style DOTTED dotted. Clear? Now here I make some changes. Border style DASHED dashed, this one, and the second, this is a border style dashed. I copy this thing and I make this one dotted, DOTTED dotted, and here I also change the class name DOTTED dotted. So you can see that there we are having a dotted. Clear? Now the third style is solid, H2 dot, SOLID solid, this, and I copy all the text, Control C, one, SOLID solid, I give closing curly braces, here I copy this thing, this one is dotted, this one is solid. So next I'll directly implement on these ones instead of rewriting them. This is SOLID solid, this one is SOLID solid, this thing. So you see the difference between this one is the dashed, this one is dotted, small dots are there, dash 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 is there, and it is solid. Now other properties are also there, but I make changes only here in this one. Solid, I replace this solid with the next property, that is doubled, 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 that is double, and here I also DOUBLE double, this I give, and simply I make the changes here, DOUBLE double, and here also, here I remove. So it is a double line now. Clear? Now I replace this one, Control F, simply I use a replace, I replace the DOUBLE double with the value, that is, the next is groove, 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 replace all, close this, Control S. So it gives us a 3D design. So it is a 3D design, 3D view. So now all the designs are 3D view. So now Control F, again I use the replace. So now instead of a groove, I use here, I change the value groove with RIDGE, RIDGE. Control S, sorry, replace all, this one. See the effect of this one. So little bit changes are there. So it is a 3D design. So other designs are also there, inlet, outlet, outset, and none, hidden is there. So I implement also these one. So I replace this RIDGE with inset, with a inset, replace all, Control S. You can see that inside this it is showing that a 3D view is there. So that is inset, or if I replace the inset with inset with outset, तो it looks like that outside it is. तो ये outside की तरफ दिख रहा है, clear? So this is looking like a outside. Now one more is there. Sorry, I'll switch over. That is none. I know any none. This I gave, or hidden is there, none style. Here also I give the name, value as a NONE, none, and here I make change, NONE, this one. So there is no border with the help of none, or hidden is also there, HIDDEN, hidden is the last style, HIDDEN, hidden, and I make changes here also. Instead of none, I make this one hidden. So border is there, but it is hidden from us. There is no difference between none and hidden. So all these are the different styles. So what are the styles? Dashed, dotted, solid, double, group, raise, inset, outset, none, hidden. All these are the styles. Border, styles, properties, value. Clear? Now I apply next one here. Directly I give the color. So as a border color, we can give a color to the border. So I give the color red to the border. This red color I give. So you see that automatically all the styles having a red color. So instead of hidden, I make it solid. Control F, Control R. Hidden, I make it SOLID, solid. Replace all. Close this. Control S. Solid. It is clearly visible. Now I want to apply on a particular one. Likewise on this one, so I give background color something different. Copy this. It overrides the default one which I have given to the H2 directly. So here I give the color different color, green. Suppose green is there. So the color of a border dotted style becomes green. Clear? Now the next thing, if I give this one color, change the color of this one, all the sides color, it changes to blue. BLUE, this one, and it becomes blue. Clear? But if I give color to these different color, I want all the sides different color, then give 4 values. First red, red is by default, but red, green, blue, and YELLO, yellow. I have passed 4 values to a border color, or you will see that the dotted color, dotted style color become, from the top it is red, then right it is green, bottom it is blue, and the left it is yellow. It becomes yellow. So refresh it. So here you see that the color becomes red top, green right, bottom it is blue and yellow. If it is not visible, so I will make it large. Clear? This is about the color. What if we give 2 colors only? Then see the effect. Then at the top or the bottom it becomes red, and right or the left, either sides, it colors become green. Is it clear? Now I apply the next property, that is called the width. Now we give the width to this one. So border, 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 width, WIDTH. So we give the width in a pixel. 5 pixel I give here. See the effect. The 5 pixels. All the sides, either top, bottom, left or right, all the sides, it becomes 5 pixel. Is it clear? Now what if I give 2 sides color? The same rule apply here. Top and bottom it is 5 pixels, left and right it becomes 20 pixels. So top it is 5 pixel, bottom it is 5 pixel, right and left we can see that it becomes 20 pixels. Or we change the color also of this one. Here I give, copy this color, the border style. I want to override the default one. You see that this side's color is okay. Now the next, I switch over to the next. This is all about the color. In color we can, instead of a pixel, we can give color in RGB also. We can use RGB function, or in a hexadecimal form we can give that hexadecimal form is this hash, then 6 values, any 6 values we give, like FF0012. Let's see what the color, what is the change in the color. So nothing is changed in the color. 00, let us see. Nothing change in the color because 1 I have given here. Okay, if it is not working, doesn't matter, we give red directly. Okay, now the next property, next property we learn about radius. So what is the benefit of using a radius? Border radius. Now radius. So radius give us a facility to curve the border edges. So we give here 2 pixels as a value, 2 pixels. So see the effect of this one. So little bit it curves from all the sides. So if we increase the value, it is visible to us clearly whether it is curving. Yes, it curves. If we give 10, as you increase the value, it becomes round from the border, rounded border. We use which property? Radius property. Now we can give a style to a particular side also. For that purpose we use border top style, STYLE style. So I can give top, bottom, right, left. I can replace this value with the top, bottom, right or left, or I can give the style of our choice to this one. So here I want which style I give doubled, DOUBLE, double to this one, semicolon. So you'll see that on the top it is double. If I make it bottom, 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 so see the effect in the bottom, it changes. So in the same way we need only to replace this one, left, right, this way. Now a shorthand is there. A shorthand, we only, instead of writing these properties separately, we directly write down the single property, that is the border property, and I apply this border property on H3 dot. I'll give the name to this one, simple shorthand, SHORT, short, to this class name, shorthand. So now BORDER, border property directly we use, and values we give in the order of border width first we give, then we give border style, which is important. Without style it can't work, it is mandatory, and then we give the color. So first I give the width, I give 3 pixels, in a pixels I give, then I give the style, solid I give, solid style, SOLID, solid, then I give a style border color I give orange, ORANGE, orange color I give to this one. So here I use next property, H3, and the class name is SHORT, short. Close this. So this is a border shorthand. This is a border shorthand, and I close this H3. So at the bottom we can see that automatically it is solid, 2 pixels, or what I have given, how many pixels, 3 pixels, its width, and solid it is, and the color becomes orange. So this is about the shorthand. or anything left, so I'll explain you in the next video. Or I don't think so that there is anything left regarding this border. So you apply this border, use it and do practice it. So thanks and stay at your home. Okay, till then, bye bye.